Hello dears, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video I'm going to show you that how we can use system configuration for our Windows. So this system configuration is really important to know, because when you're going to boot your Windows, so changing one of these options with this system configuration, you can safely boot inside your Windows. So let me show you how this is going to work and how we can configure that. And we can find a lot other tools with this system configuration. So to bring this system configuration, we need to press Windows key and R on the keyboard. Then we have to type MSCONFIG. So when you press enter, so this window system configuration is going to open. So here we have this startup selection, like we can select normal startup, we can select diagnostic startup, or we can select selective startup, which is already selected as a default. So when your Windows is going to start up, so this load system services is going to start along, and also load startup items is going to start with your Windows. So for default it's already selected. So if you want to select this diagnostic startup, so it's going to diagnostic or your system, it will check it everything is okay in your PC or not. So if you select this normal setup, so this is going to start up normally. So by default this is selective startup, so I'm going to select this one. I don't want to change this setting. So on the boot tab, if you go, so this is all your boot options that you're going to configure when your Windows is going to boot up in this PC. So if you have a more bootable device attached to your PC, so it's going to show up right over here. So I have only this Windows 11, which is my current OS, so it's going to show me only this operating system. And if I click on advanced options, so I can see this number of processor, maximum memory, and also here if I check this PCL lock and debug, so this global debug setting is going to show up, like I can debug for the port. Debugs or this logs mean that's going to save your information in a specific location. So we don't want to do that, so we are going to cancel this. And here is the best and one of the useful option, which really useful in your Windows. If your Windows is actually not starting and you want to start that in safe mode, so the best option to start your Windows from software when you're going to change that, so this is the software that you can change this to safe boot. You don't have to go through all that setups when you're going to boot your Windows to safely open your Windows. Basically you can just click safe boot, and this is by default minimal is selected. You're going to click apply and OK. When you're going to restart your PC is going to restart in safe mode. So also you can select this alternate shield when it's going to start, and also you can select this active directory repair, or you can select the network as well. And here we have no graphic user interface boot if you don't want to boot safely, and you don't want no graphic user interface. And also if you want to lock your boot when you want to see all the logs, so you can check this one. And also we have this base video and OS boot information, so if you want to check this along with this safe boot, this option is going to be turned on when you're going to check it. Here we have this 30-second by default for the boot safely boot option. If you want to change that, then you can change this as well. So here we have this make all boot settings permanent. So if you select this one, so this setting is going to be permanent. We don't want to be permanent safely, we don't want to boot our operating system safely, because we want our Windows to normal boot shield. Safe mode is mostly it's going to require when your computer doesn't boot, or maybe it's not going to start. So sometimes if you want to install, or if you want to change your Windows, so you're going to check this one, then click OK. When you're going to restart your PC, your Windows is going to boot in safely mode, so then you can enter your drive, you can back up your data. So this is how safe mode is going to work with Windows and also with this system configuration. So we have this services tab also available. So if I scroll down, you can see we have all the services here. For our Windows, it's going to show me all the services that's available. Like you can see, we have this Windows modular installer, Microsoft Update Health Services, and also we have all the services that's available here. So basically I can click disable all, but for now I don't want to disable all. If it is disabled, so here you can click on enable all, then you can turn on all the services in Windows. So if I click this one, hide all Microsoft services, so only it's going to show me the other services that's available inside the Windows, but not it's going to show me all the services that is from Microsoft. So we are going to this startup. So if I click on startup, it's going to open me this task manager. For now I don't want to open that task manager, because we are going to make another video for this task manager. So from here also it's possible to click on open task manager, so directly it's going to open this task manager from this system configuration. And also we have the tools. So this tool is really important to know in Windows. When you're going to buy a computer from the market or from a shop, so you are going to need for these tools. Like let me show you, like if you need a registry editor to know about the PC or change the PC setting. But if you want to know about this, so we are going to click on the system properties. So we are going to launch. So this is going to show me the properties of the Windows. And also here we have this, let me show you, like system information, like computer management, system information. If I click, so this is going to show me all this information. So if you buy a laptop from a supermarket or from anywhere, that's a computer, not the supermarket really, but you're going to buy it from a shop, a computer shop. So here you're going to require for this system information, because you want to know that one kind of a computer it is. So you can see this is the show me the processor, and I can see the hardware resources from here. You can see I can click on the memory, so it's going to show me all the memory. And if I click on the components, so I can see the network, I can see the display, I can see the multimedia. And on the software environment is going to show me like program groups, running task, print jobs. So I can see everything that's going to give me information about this PC. So basically you can use this MSCONFIG to select the best PC from a computer shop, and this really can help you. And also we have many tools available, like this one, like this system setup. Let me close this. So here we have this system restore, registry editor, command prompt. So if I click, so it's going to open me this CMD. And also we have this registry editor. So if I click launch, so this registry editor is something that you can change everything in your PC. It means everything is going to be available right over here, not light. So here we have this HKey case user. So you can see all the settings. I don't want to actually go through all this option that's available for a registry editor, because we are going to make some more videos. Because if you go in this registry editor, you can find a lot of good things with this registry editor. So let me close this, and also we have this system restore from here as well. So if I click launch, I will make another video for this system restore as well. So from here you can see it automatically created me a restore point, but if I click show more, so it's going to show me more that's available here. So if I want to create a new one, so I don't want to create in this video, but I will make another video for that as well. So you can see we have all this application with this system configuration, and it is going to really help us with our Windows. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and really it help you in your works and your studies and buying a new PC. So this system configuration is really a cool feature and window, so we can use this for different purpose, and this is really easy to use. And hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, well, hit the bell icon so you're going to be notified about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys until next video.